Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a website shortcut to the home screen on a Samsung phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To add a website shortcut, first open your browser such as Chrome and navigate to the exact page you want on the home screen. Once the page loads, tap on the three dots icon in your browser to show more options. One of these options should be called Add to Home Screen, so tap on that. You'll then be able to input a custom name for the shortcut, and you can tap on Add once you're done. You might need to tap on Add for a second time. Head to your home page and the shortcut should appear and you can try it out. It can be deleted just like any app. If this didn't work, try updating the browser or try using a different one instead. That's how to add a website shortcut to the home screen on a Samsung phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.